coming out there today. Sounds really good today. You guys keep doing what you're doing. 105 Central Arizona, 35 miles east of Phoenix. Standing by. Needle Bender 777. Yes, sir. I talked to you in the last few times out there in that area.
Okay, your pal, NorCal 211 with a wave.
Oh, QSLMS, sir. Sounds really good. I appreciate it. Yeah, we're about 92 and sunny and some clouds going by. QSLMS, sir. I appreciate it, man. You always sound a choice out here. You are a 30 over 10, sir. So whatever you're doing, keep doing. And sounds really good. I hope I sound the same. QSL is 2 and acknowledge on that, and we'll leave it back to you. 105 Central Arizona, standing by. Alrighty, Needle Bender, I appreciate it. 777 sounded really good in Florida there. Keep doing what you're doing. On the West Coast. 105 Central Arizona, standing by. North Carolina, I acknowledge you, sir. You sound really good to yourself.
No, he's just really not Arizona.
He's doing his best to ignore you, and you're forcing him to come out and tell you what he thinks of you.
You got it right, brother. Yeah.
Quit twisting your wrist.
Blasting in here, but I heard you up there just wanting to bad grandpa in Las Vegas. 777 selling Q5 out here and down there on the 56 Arizona waving. Have a good afternoon, brother.
What he does to Canadians, he goes full on Three Stooges on them. Poke them in the eye, twist their nose, put them on the way.
You're home early there. I know you don't go home for lunch with that drive. You've been to 777. Hey, you've been to 26.
This is Bad Grandpa in Las Vegas.
How the hell would we be able to hear that guy?
Sounds good to me. Hey, you're doing it warp speed, so whenever I get it, man. No problem.
I think I hear Mr. 61 in Virginia. I can still hear you. This is Bad Grandpa in Las Vegas.
I guess you were pretty surprised when you got home to hear I was out doing some lawn work and had the external speaker on and I heard everything banging in. I said,
okay, Mr. 61, it's always good to hear you. This is Bad Grandpa, Las Vegas, waving in Las